What do you do when your tire goes flat? What's the very first thing you do? You're driving down the road and your tire goes flat. What's the first thing you do? You pull over and you stop, right? And then after you've pulled over and stopped, then what do? You get out and look, you fix it, right? Well, our head gets a flat tire and we don't pull over and stop, and we don't even bother fixing it. We're just like, I'm going to go through anyway. So when that happens in our head, just picture a car driving down the freeway, just flat, 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 flat. And that's how we're operating, right? And so I tell people, hey man, if there's something, I don't believe that counseling or therapy is for people that are having a hard time or that are in trouble. I think counseling and therapy is for anybody that wants to be better than they currently are. Marriage counseling is for people that want their marriage to be better than it currently is. It doesn't have to fall apart. I had a marriage counselor say, I like to get people early because it's nice. When they already don't like each other, it's kind of, I have a hard time because then they just sit in my office and yell at each other the whole time. It's not real productive, all right? And so the counseling therapy, it's important. It's important to have these people to reach out to. Some of you mentioned jogging, right? Going for a run. Could be meditation, could be yoga. When something difficult happens, this is what we reach out to. Think about those interests that you have.